Welcome to Dogs Update, and in this update, it's a very quick update. Today is the 12th of August, and you have 2 days to do what I'm about to show you in this video, so you can still get something from dogs in the next 2 days. Now, this is an update, an announcement by in the dogs community. Okay, so that's why I'm bringing it. So first off, if this is your first time, so I want to say big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And for all returning subscribers, merci beaucoup, gracias. All right, so now this is an update from the dogs community. Here are some updates for you. Key dates. Last day to earn more dogs is 14th of August. Better hurry. Listing dates and all the details will be announced on the 14th of August as well. Important reminder, there is no circulation of the token at the moment. Anyone trying to sell you a token before they officially announce the TGE is scamming you. Please trust only official information. However, you can participate in the pre-markets on OKX, which is already available for everyone. Use the remaining time to complete any outstanding tasks, invite your friends, and share your results. Stay vigilant and stay tuned. So now, with this information, it's something I want to quickly let you know that you can actually still get something from dogs. And I'm going to show you in this video things you can do within the next 2 days to grab, to get a piece of the pie of the dogs token, right? So if this is your first time, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and also smash the notification bell to get notified. I think I mentioned that before. And now let me know in the comments if you have started dogs already or not. But in 2 days, I'm going to show you what it can actually give you up to 2,000 or even 3,000 dogs tokens, yes. So that by the time it's listed, you have at least something to show that you participated, even if it's just 2 days. Today is 12. So if you're watching this video on the 13th, you still have a day. If you're watching it on the 14th, on that 14th, you can still grab something, which I will show you right here, right now. So let's go. I'm going to log into my dogs. So let's go. Okay. This is my dogs account. So to get started with dogs, just get a link in the description of this video. Yes, I've dropped a link in the description of this video so you can use it to get started already. Okay, so once you get to the description, you pick the link and start already. So as you just get the link, it opens for you to start. So as soon as you start, all right, you just follow through, right? First thing you do, just come here at the top here to connect your wallet. So tap here and then connect your wallet. You see my wallet is connected already. I'm not disconnecting. You can see say connect a different wallet. No, so leave it there. So if I want to connect a different wallet, all I do is just tap here and it asks me to connect. You see that? Yeah, so I'll just connect my Telegram wallet already. So just connect your wallet first. And once you do that, you are going to get a bonus for that. All right. So I'll show you quickly. You see that connects. All right. So back to the community. So I'll come back here. So now go to tax. If you come here, you can see under tax here. If you scroll down, so if you scroll down here, you can see completed tax. Like share your story here. I got 1,000 dogs. So share your story. What do you share? The system will help you. Just tap on this, and whatever is there, just click next and next and next, and then you grab 1,000 dogs already. So you see that? Next is be a good dog. So this one, you just tap this and you check it, and then it gives it to you. Subscribe to Dog's channel, it gives it to you. Then go over. See, just subscribe. Look at this now. Look at this. Subscribe here to Notcoin, you get 50. Subscribe to Blum channel, you get. Now if you're already on Blum, all you just need is tap that, it will connect you. So check in 400. Accounts age. Well, this one now you may not really get much out of this. If you're on Telegram Premium, fine. Then invited friends, invite your friends, and then you get this. Connect wallet. You can see connect wallet where you get 1,000. This wallet I just connected now will earn you 1,000. So those are some of the tasks you need to actually carry out. Let me go back to home page, or let me check. Okay, so okay, good. Now here are the things. Okay, let me go back to home page. All right. So like here now, connect not coin user, not coin gold user. I'm not on this, so I won't even go to check this. If I check it, will tell me to go ahead and do platinum. I'm not there. Because this one will give you 4,200. If you are there, you grab to 4,000. If you're on a platinum user for not coin, you get $20,000 immediately. Subscribe to Durov channel. You tap this, it brings you here. Okay, and then you just go back and connect, claim it. All right, you see it's updated rather. You can see that. So these are things you do. Make a ton transaction. I'm not yet ready to do that. I can actually do that later on. Okay, invite 5 friends. Check it. All right, add the dog bone, the bone there in your Telegram name, and you check. I've not done that yet. I'll do that later on. Add this to your Binance.x.com. Then add this to your OKX.com. Add this to your Bybit.com. So you're getting 100, that's 300. And then Notcoin user bonus. Tap to start. I think I did that already, but it was opening. So once this happens, then you get 50 from that. So you keep on grabbing and grabbing and grabbing. Like I grab it now, you take it to 6,000. Okay, 96. Okay, all right. So next, now I'll do this one before later on. Now you come back. I think that's about it. So just go ahead and carry out all of these tasks. And by the time you carry out these tasks, at least you may get up to 6,000. If you are on premium platinum for Notcoin, you may even get over 20 something thousand dogs waiting for the airdrop and the TGE. Okay, so here is what you just need to just follow the instruction. The guide here is very simple, it's very easy, and in 2 days you can actually be a part of what's happening on the 14th. From the 14th, when the TGE for dogs will happen. All right, I guess you have got some value with this. Go ahead and like the video and share it. Let your friends know, let everyone know. Remember, to get started with dogs, just get a link in the description of this video and you are good to go. Thank you very much and God bless you.